Welcome to Grow Great Vegetables and lots more.
We're here to share with you what we've learned over years of gardening experience to help you grow great vegetables and lots more.
We're a group of family and friends living in Northland, New Zealand, known as Kiwi Gardeners. We're focused on helping new and experienced gardeners everywhere grow great gardens and have fun while you're doing it.
We've told the stories of some of our gardens: backyard garden, jungle garden, kitchen garden, Doug's garden, berry garden, patio garden, and we'll share them with you here.
From our experience, we've also put together some videos for you, so you too can grow great vegetables, herbs, flowers, berries, and fruit.
We'll be adding new videos to the channel all the time and new topics every month, so if what you're looking for isn't here right now, come back a bit later.
We recommend that you use the playlist to navigate the channel. The titles will help you find what you're looking for.
We've had lots of fun making these videos for you.
It's great that you found us, and have fun growing your own great vegetables.